Hello class, my name is Michael Strunk. This is PMA 3, term 1312. Um, and today I'm going to tell you a little bit about applications in general, web app and native apps. So far what I've learned, web apps are websites that are accessible through a mobile device. They're a little bit different when you look at them on a mobile device than when you look at them on um, a web page on a computer. The viewport size is different, so it makes it a lot easier if there's a mobile version of the website. A good example of this would be like Delta. Like if you go to delta.com uh, on a internet browser and a computer, you're gonna see a full layout that looks a lot different than if you go to delta.com on a Android or iOS or BlackBerry or any mobile device. The viewport will be different and the size will be different, and most of the time, the layout's different. Generally, the reason for this is because when you there's a mobile version of the app, it's a lot easier to navigate through because it's known that you're going to be looking at it through mobile. Um, to where a native app is something that is specific for the device, and you're not going to be able to go to a web page for a native app. Most games, you have Angry Birds and stuff like that. Those are native apps. Stuff that you're not going to look at through a web browser on a uh, computer. Um, a I use a hybrid version of an app like this that's kind of native and web based. Alien Blue. It's a Reddit based app. It's a native app in the sense that it's been programmed for iOS, but it pulls web based information. So you would see the same info that you see on Alien Blue on Reddit.com on a PC or Mac or again a computer, but you view it a lot differently and it's mobile friendly and it's not m.reddit.com. It's not a mobile. Uh, it's not a web based app. It is a native app that is more of a hybrid than a just straight native application. Um, Web based applications are so important though because uh, if you ask someone to go to a website, 90 I mean 60% of the time they're going to do it first on their phone. They're going to type that address right then and there, and they're going to look at it right on their phone. So having a good, clean mobile, web-based, application is very handy. And developing it for mobile first, and then for computers later, is the way the industry is going. And I completely agree with it. It's a lot easier to scale up than scale down, which we have learned already. So developing it for the phones or tablets, I should say, anything mobile, is a lot easier to go from that to a computer version than it is to go the opposite direction. Um, I've told you a little bit about an app I used, and I explained the difference between native and web-based. Looking forward to hearing your guys' take on it, and that's all I got. Thanks.